Listed here are some healthful approaches to obtain weight when you are underweight. Consume extra quite often. When you're underweight, you may think full faster. Eat 5 to 6 smaller foods during the day alternatively than 2 or 3 giant foods. Opt for nutrient-wealthy meals. As part of an overall healthful weight loss plan, pick whole grain breads, pastas and cereals, fruits and veggies, dairy merchandise, lean protein sources, and nuts and seeds. Try smoothies and shakes. Do not refill on weight loss program soda, coffee and different drinks with few energy and little dietary worth. Rather, drink smoothies or healthy shakes made with milk and contemporary or frozen fruit, and sprinkle in some flour flaxseed. In some instances, a liquid meal alternative is also advocated. Watch when you drink. Some folks find that drinking fluids earlier than meals blunts their appetite. In that case, it is usually higher to sip bigger calorie beverages together with a meal or snack. For others, consuming half hour after a meal, now not with it, may work. Make each chew count. Snack on nuts, peanut butter, cheese, dried fruits and avocados. Have a bedtime snack comparable to a peanut butter and jelly sandwich or a wrap sandwich with avocado, sliced greens, and lean meat or cheese. Top it off. Add extras to your dishes for more calories, equivalent to cheese in casseroles and scrambled eggs, and fats-free dried milk in soups and stews. Have an occasional deal with. Even when you are underweight, take note of excess sugar and fat. An occasional slice of pie with ice cream is fine. But most treats will have to be healthy and provide vitamins and minerals in addition to calories. Bran desserts, yogurt and granola bars are good choices. Activity. Activity, principally strength training, can help you attain weight via building up your muscles. Pastime may additionally stimulate your appetite.